7 surprising reasons why you should drink clove tea every day. Welcome to our exploration of natural remedies and healthy lifestyle choices. Today, we have something special in store for you. A deep dive in the world of clove tea, a delightful beverage that has been cherished for its remarkable health benefits. If you're curious to discover the hidden secrets of this aromatic brew, then keep watching. We'll be revealing 7 surprising reasons why incorporating clove tea into your daily routine might just be the best decision you make for your well-being. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more insightful content. Number 1. Boost immunity. Clove tea stands as a true powerhouse of antioxidants, boasting an impressive blend of phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and vitamin C. These formidable antioxidants play a vital role in safeguarding our health by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can wreak havoc within our bodies. By doing so, they become formidable allies in fortifying our immune system, making it more resilient against infections and diseases. Furthermore, the star compound, eugenol, found abundantly in cloves, adds an extra layer of protection with its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Embracing the goodness of clove tea can provide a natural shield against a myriad of common illness, promoting a healthier and happier life. Number 2. Aiding digestion. Experiencing relief from post-meal discomfort with a soothing cup of clove tea. The presence of eugenol in cloves serves as a prominent carminative, effectively reducing bloating and gas. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties gently soothe the digestive tract and alleviate stomach cramps, making clove tea a natural and effective remedy for indigestion and digestive troubles. The powerful combination of antioxidants, phenolic compounds, and eugenol in clove tea aids in neutralizing harmful free radicals, promoting healthy digestion. Embrace the gentle yet effective natures of this aromatic brew and bid farewell to digestive woes, savoring the comfort it bringing after every meal. Number 3. Manages blood sugar levels. For individuals concerned about managing their blood sugar levels, clove tea presents a valuable support. The exceptional compounds present in cloves, such as eugenol, contribute to enhancing insulin function and insulin sensitivity, leading to a more efficient absorption of glucose by our cells. This unique combination of bioactive constituents aids in regulating blood sugar levels effectively. As a result, clove tea proves beneficial not only for those already diagnosed with diabetes, but also for individuals at risk of developing this condition. Taking the simple and natural solution could potentially have a significant impact on promoting better blood sugar control and overall well-being. Number 4. Relieves respiratory issues. The presence of eugenol in clove tea plays a vital role in alleviating respiratory issues, as this compound exhibits both anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. When consumed regularly, clove tea aids in clearing congestion, providing relief from troublesome cough symptoms and soothing sore throats. The anti-inflammatory action helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, while the expectorant effects assist in expelling mucus and phlegm, promoting clearer airways. Additionally, the presence of flavonoids and antioxidants in clove tea contributes to its overall respiratory benefits by supporting the immune system and shielding the respiratory system from oxidative stress. Drink clove tea as a daily routine for enhanced respiratory health and comfortable breathing. Number 5. Enhances oral health. Achieve a radiant smile and optimal gum health with the aid of clove tea. Abundant in eugenol, this remarkable compound possesses analgesic and antibacterial properties, providing a triple action oral care solution. By incorporating clove tea into your daily routine, you can bid farewell to the toothaches and combat oral infections, ensuring a healthier oral environment. Moreover, the mild numbing effect of eugenol offers temporary relief from tooth sensitivity, making clove tea a natural and soothing addition to your oral care regime. Include the power of this aromatic brew and revel in the simplicity of nurturing your oral health with nature's gift. Number 6. Eases stress and anxiety. Within the persistent pace of modern life, stress and anxiety have been prevalent challenges. However, there's a comforting remedy in the form of clove tea. This delightful brew holds anxiolytic properties thanks to the compounds like eugenol and kaempferol found abundantly in cloves. When consumed, these compounds work pleasantly to have a profound calming effect on the nervous system. They promote relaxation and significantly reduce stress levels. Taking clove tea into your daily routine can offer a break from the chaos of daily life and allow you to find tranquility within. Number 7. Supports weight management. Discover a natural weight management aid in the form of clove tea, thanks to its potent metabolic boosting compounds like eugenol and flavonoids. This delightful brew enhances calorie burning efficiency, aiding in weight loss efforts. Additionally, the abundance of antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds, helps combat oxidative stress that contributes to weight gaining. By drinking clove tea daily, you empower your body to tackle weight challenges while indulging in the soothing taste of this natural beverage. Say goodbye to complicated weight loss strategies and embrace the simplicity and efficacy of clove tea as your trusted partner on your healthy journey. In conclusion, clove tea, with its rich blend of antioxidants and active compounds, has proven to be a hidden gem of wellness. From boosting immunity to supporting digestion and maintaining blood sugar levels, this aromatic brew offers a multitude of health benefits. So, why not unlock the potential of clove tea and embrace a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle? Thank you for watching this video, and please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content.